In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log into your trading account using MetaTrader 5. Let's make sure you've got everything set up correctly so you can start trading without any hiccups. To begin, you'll want to have MetaTrader 5 open and ready on your device. Once you've launched MetaTrader 5, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu bar here, and the first thing you're going to do is click on the File tab. This will provide you with a drop-down menu where you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is Login to Trade Account. Clicking on this option will open a new window where you can input your account details. Now it's crucial to enter your credentials accurately to ensure a smooth login experience. You'll start by filling in your login information. In the login field, enter your account number. Make sure you're entering it correctly. It's easy to make a mistake if you're not careful. Next, you'll be entering your password. Just a friendly reminder, this is your trading password, not any other password you might have. For security reasons, it might be helpful to check that caps lock is off and that you've entered the correct characters. Quality assurance in this step will save you from potential login failures or account lockouts. Once your account number and password are correctly filled in, it's time to select your server. In the Server drop-down menu, you should look for and select your JustMarkets server. This part is essential because selecting the wrong server could prevent you from accessing your account, which could be both confusing and frustrating if you're eager to trade. After verifying that all your details are correctly entered, you're all set. The next step is quite simple. Go ahead and click the OK button. This action will prompt MetaTrader 5 to log into your account using the details you've provided. With a successful login, your computer screen will refresh, displaying your account details and trading information. You know you're logged in when you see the balance, equity, and available margin to the left, along with the option to view open positions and market watch. This might be a good time to double check that all information on the screen matches your expectations, ensuring everything is in order before you delve into any trading activities, and that is how you log into your trading account on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully, this straightforward guide has made the entire process easier for you to understand and follow. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial if you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.